Hi, welcome to Sal Digitals. My name is Paul. Today I'm gonna show you how you can change the color of a cloth in the different colors, just like you see in my screen here. You see this color is changing into various ways: purple, blue, wherever they feel like, green, wherever. Now, kindly before you begin, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also give it a thumbs up if you find my videos of value. You can also share and also like. Now let's begin. Now the first thing I'm going to do after inserting the image, I'm just going to zoom it a little bit by pressing Ctrl plus. Then I just come here and choose magnetic lasso. If you can't see it, just right click and choose magnetic lasso. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click here so that I can easily select this blue t-shirt. So just the goodness with the magnetic lasso, it sticks to the edges of the object, so just come and do like so. So you select only the blue parts like so. Then I'll zoom by pressing Ctrl plus. You make sure it only selects the blue parts by dragging and clicking, and make sure it is in the edges like so. If you want to go back, press backspace as you drag your mouse. So make sure it goes up to there. Zoom out pressing Ctrl minus. Then you join it with this one here. Now after selecting the blue part, that is the blue t-shirt, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to come and click here. Click this icon here, then it will give you this dialog box. You're going to choose hue and saturation. Then you'll have this color here. Then you can just play around with this. You can see the color is changing. You can maybe, if you want to change it to dark blue, if you want to change it to purple, you can also play around with the reds here. You can see it changing to purple. Also the lightness, you can also determine the lightness and the darkness of the color, as you can see here like so. So that's how to change the color of a t-shirt. It is that simple. So guys, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also give it a thumbs up if you find value in the videos. Have a nice day, have a nice time.